that it states we must study through listening, observing, and thinking. So we are all in that path, right? And all the problems in the world can be settled if all the peoples are willing to think. So you already started thinking, right? Yeah, thinking about future, having a dream career, and you have already acted on that. That's why you are here for an engineering graduation at Mangalam College, right? For a dream career, and that's in front of you. So you're already doing on the way to a dream career. So it's good that we need to know some realistic statistics. After we complete graduation, what is that we are going to face? So the statistic says that almost 6 lakhs engineers are graduating every year in India. 6 lakhs engineering graduates are coming out of engineering colleges every year. So that is a very good thing. We have a lot of engineers. We can become a civilized society with good cooperation, educated society. That's a wonderful thing. The second part of it is that, as per the survey of aspiring minds, it's a bit not good news. Only 90.1 percentage are employable. That means almost 80 percentage are unemployable, though they are engineering graduates. So that's not a good news, right? We are putting a lot of hard works, and end of the day, after we complete the graduation, after we face the interview, we feel somebody telling us, okay, you're not skilled for this project, it's not a good feeling. Is that? No, we don't want to hear that, right? The interview we are going to face, we want before interview comes, they should hire us. So that should be the productivity, or that should be the caliber we should be demonstrating in our academy. So that is possible. So IBM has done a research. It's a problem. This problem of unemployable is a problem of everybody, the industry, because companies are having a lot of projects and they are not getting the skilled people, skilled engineers, means it's a problem. So if the projects are not delivered, they will not get money. If money is not there, business will not run properly. Ultimately, it's a problem for organizations. Again, it's a problem for the engineers. They have done a graduation with a lot of hard work, put a lot of money, and not getting a dream job, not getting placed. That's again another sad part of it. So after enormous research, IBM has come up with some solution. How do we face this problem? So based on this research, IBM identified some trending areas, okay, some emerging areas where there is huge requirement for job openings, where there is a demand for skilled professionals. So IBM identified which are the areas in which we need skilled people. And this slide shows you that list in the left. Which is the first one? Analytics and business intelligence. Second one, mobile technologies. Third, cloud computing. Fourth, embedded systems. Fifth, software testing. Sixth, seventh, enterprise Java. Eighth, security, that's cyber security. So we have now realized, okay, these are the trending or emerging areas in which lot of projects are there, lot of vacancies are there in the market, lot of positions are available, but there is no enough skilled people in the market to handle these projects. In a way, knowing that there is lot of jobs available in the market is a good news for us, right? If you do very good engineering and you do a right project, and if you are properly skilled, there are jobs in the market. That's a good news. The sad part is that the statistics says that by the normal path, 80% are unemployable. So we should be cautious about that. I don't want to fall in the unemployable category, right? Nobody wants to fall in that category. So what should I do? I should be having a proper planning. I should be having a proper knowledge. I should be having a focus of what is the expectation of the industry. What are these industries looking for? And through this survey, which was done by Gartner, we realized that these are the trending areas, these are the technological areas in which there is huge demand for professionals. So first step we have understood, we need to get equipped in this. So IBM has come up, designed some courses and course materials to enable the engineers and management professionals to equip themselves with these additional skills, with these industry skills. So if an engineering graduate is equipping themselves with these engineering skills, they would be a global professional. They would be meeting the expectation of the industry. And in that way, they would be employable. That's a wonderful feeling. So ultimately our objective has been attained. We will land up in our dream jobs having good paychecks. That's our objective, right? So our dream, our parents' dream, all would be satisfied. So we need, I think you're in the first year, first or second semester? First semester. Second semester, okay. So this is the right time for you to have a proper planning. Okay, I've decided to be an engineer. Now, what is happening in the current status for the engineers? We realize that there is 6 lakhs engineering graduates are coming, so there is a huge competition. Also, we realize that there is a lot of job openings in the market, but problem is people are not skilled because they were not informed or they were not getting the updation about what is happening in the industry. So now we are fortunate that you realize what is the expectation of the industry. So these are the expectation of the industry. So you need to be skilled along with your engineering graduation. You need to be skilled in any one or more of these skills to be what? Employable. So we will go through one by one the other slides. So the first one, the course design is for enterprise Java, which mostly good for the people who has a good programming logic programming knowledge. If they have a good foundation C, C++, they can choose mostly in computer engineering and electronics engineering students prefers this and go for enterprise Java B2B, enterprise Java professional. Next one is analytics and business intelligence. This is the most trending technology area. And you know what? Anybody, be it a mechanical engineer, be it a civil engineer, or a computer engineer, or a management graduate, or a commerce graduate, they can opt for analytics and business intelligence. So be it any stream, because analysis is important in all the aspects of business. So if you are a good, if you want to be a good decision maker, you need to be analytical. So analysis, analytical and business skills will add value to an engineer. Be it you are a civil engineer, be it a mechanical engineer, be it automobile or whatever it is. So this is good for all the disciplines, analytics and business intelligence. What's next? So here comes a listing of the survey called Gartner survey. So this survey realized the top 10 technology priorities in 2014. We have listed that there's analytics and business intelligence, mobile technologies, cloud computing, collaboration technologies, legacy modernization, IT management, CRM, virtualization, security, ERP application. So by enriching ourselves into this technology, we would be in the employable category. So the demand for skilled professionals in mobility, mobile application. So after analytics comes the second one is mobile computing, mobile application development. So in India itself, almost the current status is almost 2 lakh jobs are waiting in the mobile application development. So mobile skilled professionals in mobile technology are more wanted even in India these days. So there is a shortage of skilled professionals in mobile application development. Next one is cloud computing. So cloud, there is all the applications these days are deployed in cloud. Okay, infrastructure or platform or is it software. So there is a huge demand for cloud administrators, cloud developers, cloud security administrators. So that is the demand. There is a huge demand for cloud engineers. The hiring trend, when you look in the graph, you can see that almost it doubles by the year 2018. The demand is huge for business analytics, mobile and cloud. So if you are specializing yourself in any of the skills, you are in the employable, you would fall in the employable category. But you need a strong commitment. Just by doing a course won't be enough. You need to do the course with the proper commitment. You need to do your engineering graduation with proper focus and commitment. So you need to have a proper planning so that in the final year, the projects which I'm going to do in the final year would be in any of these trending areas. So if I want to do the project in the final year in these trending areas, I need to have a proper foundation in the first year. I need to specialize in the second and third year at least, and only then I will be able to do the project independently in the trending area in the final year. So a proper planning is needed. So another important area which you are seeing here is embedded systems. Look at the picture. So you see in airlines, you see in the medical industry, you see in the automobile industry, you see in the camera segment, game machines, everywhere the embedded systems are being used. So electronics, electrical, mechanical, automobile, all disciplines can specialize in embedded systems and have a fruitful career. Right? Next one is software testing, another important area. So for the software to be used by global community, you need to meet the global standards. So this software testing course would help you to be in the more employable category professional. A lot of professionals need in software testing as well. Social media. I'm sure you all know about social media briefly. At least you are posting your pictures or selfies, your relatives, happenings, etc. on Facebook. So a lot of postings, information are flowing in the social media, be it in the Facebook or Twitter. The management of this information, marketing using this information, campaigns can be conducted. So it can be used by the organization effectively. So there is a huge demand for social media professionals as well, for the analytics purpose, for marketing campaign purpose, etc. Even the marketing, again, there is a separate era for marketing called as digital marketing using this particular technology. And next one, cyber security. Most of the transactions these days, be it banking, be it buying a product using Flipkart or selling a product using Quicker, etc., are happening mostly in the online, right? So, the transaction should, my account should not be hacked by anybody else. The security, and it should be safe and secure transaction, right? So there is a lot of openings in this aspects as well. Most of the applications are hosted in the internet. So there is security is the biggest concern, and we need good professionals, skilled professionals in security area as well. And the most important now, as I briefed out earlier, is how do you map it with your 4-year engineering graduation? That is important. Okay, I'm doing a 4-year graduation with good commitment. How can I have the skill enrichment program along with my engineering graduation? So let's see in this graph. This chart gives you a brief idea. In first year, I can focus on foundation course. And foundation course, it's just designed by IBM, it's just 25 hours. And second year, I can think about specialization or advanced course. And in third year, I can think about mini project, IBM mini project. In the fourth year, I would be specialized and almost getting an expert knowledge, so I'd be able to do an individual project myself in IBM platform. So in this way, if you plan your year-on-year basis and spend extra 25 or 50 hours year-on-year basis, you would land up to be a skilled global professional. And if you are doing a course from IBM, it's a global company, so the certificate is valid globally. You would be recognized as a global professional. So that is another advantage. So here, this is the chart is for your planning. First year, what should I do? Second year, what should I do? Third year and final year. Ultimately, you land up in internship or IT job, the dream job that you want. And based on some surveys that we came across, most of the students at engineering colleges asked us to conduct some short sessions in engineering graphics and engineering mechanics because most of the students found it to be difficult. So it's an initiative not from IBM, it's an initiative from Electromech Enterprises. So we have some short courses for to enhance your knowledge in engineering, graphics, and engineering mechanics. That's not IBM, it's from Electromech Enterprises. Okay. So I have mentioned about trending areas. Which is the most trending area? Analytics and business intelligence. Next one, mobile technologies. Next one, cloud. Next one, embedded system. So these four are very top trending areas. There is a lot of jobs awaiting, and you can choose any of this as an add-on skill in your along with your engineering graduation. With basics in the first year, specialization in the second year, third year mini project, final year the main project. Okay, and that would enable you to be employable. So that would be a wonderful experience, right? So that in that way you'd be able to realize your dream. Right? Right? Yes. So do you have any queries in this? Any questions? So the levels of your course you understood. Basic for first years, be it first and second semester. Third and fourth semesters advanced. Third year and fourth year, it's project. Mini and main projects. So in that way, you can spend 50 hours and 25 hours course. Basics is 25 hours and specialization and project is, almost 50 hours. So that way, you can enrich yourself to be a global professional and fall into the employable category and ultimately land up to the dream jobs, have a fruitful career throughout your life. So this is the right time for you to think and act immediately. Don't keep on thinking and act only at the end of the day. End of the graduation. No. Think and act today and or at least by tomorrow through your proper feedbacks. So if you're coming with positive notes, positive feedbacks about this IBM sessions, and you want that, the management would facilitate you to have the session in the campus. In that way, you can have it here in your college itself. You will be facilitated. So that is one advantage. So that's the reason we are everybody's waiting for your feedback. Only if you are interested, that's possible. Okay, so with this I conclude and I hand over the session to Mr. Alex. Thank you.
Good afternoon. So now you have got a rough idea why we are here, why IBM is here in your campus. So what is your thinking? Will it be good if you take up some of the courses which Mr. Bobby has been explaining? Will it be enabling you in any way? Yes or no? See, I will tell you, by the time you complete your engineering, the system is going to be completely different. The companies are not going to come to the campus. That is what the decision which is made by all the MNCs, Infosys, Wipro, you name any company, they are slowly phasing out the campus interviews because they are wasting a lot of money in taking the students, training them, and the Indian law says only for 12 months you can have a contract with any of your staff. You can't have a 5-year contract. The law doesn't allow that. That means they're wasting all the money to train these people, and after 1 year, the engineers will surely fly. They will jump to another because they've got the experience also now, and all the other companies are waiting to take them, offering them good pay. So basically the companies are slowly phasing out that, and there is something called targeted recruitment. This is what is going to happen in the next coming years. And targeted recruitment is nothing but the students who are getting trained in certain skill sets inside the campus itself, during the course itself, will be having a listing in the target recruitment students list. So that is the students which the companies will be coming directly and they will be selecting those students. So that is where you have to have the edge over others. As Bobby very clearly said, is it unemployment which is there? Is it unemployment? No. There is sufficient jobs available, but the students who are coming out, who are passing out, the engineers are unemployable because they lack the skill sets. Especially the students from Kerala, they have a good IQ. They even pass their. I've been doing human resource for the last 25 years. We do it for all the MNCs. So basically, when the students, the details are coming, basically I'm from Kerala. So I will be checking who all are there from Kerala. And most of the students, they pass the technical test. Technical test you give them, immediately they will pass. And when it comes to the Viva or when it comes to the second level, they won't even come up to the interview level because they actually lack the first and foremost thing, soft skills. They don't know how to communicate. There itself they are losing. Even they have technical knowledge, they are losing because they don't communicate. If you don't communicate, how the interviewers are going to know what you know? Am I right? If you people don't tell me that what you want, how will I know? So you have to communicate. That is the first and foremost thing. So there itself, we are going to come into the picture. We are going to enable you to actually train you exactly how the interviews are going to be. And we are going to give you the skill sets which is very much in demand, which is going to be in demand for the next 5 years. India is going to be the biggest mobile user by 2016. It's the truth. World's biggest mobile user will be India. And the mobile, as you